did you just miss your last chance to buy Bitcoin under $50,000? Probably not. But this particular correction that Bitcoin is in may actually be one of your last chances to buy Bitcoin under $50,000. Yes, I said it. And I know we're currently over $50,000 at the time of recording this video, but I think that we could get a few more chances to grab sub 50K Bitcoin in the days and weeks to come. And no, I do not think that $58,000 was the peak of the bull market. That's not going to be the final high watermark for this market cycle, guys. I think that Bitcoin is going to go absolutely crazy in the months to come, and that a 6-digit Bitcoin is going to happen in 2021. So your chances to buy Bitcoin under $50,000 during the dips in this particular Bitcoin market correction, probably not going to last super long. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and click on the bell to make sure that you catch all of my videos. By the way, if you are a Wealth Mastery Investor Report member, go and check your inboxes because issue number 34 is out. This week we are having a big focus on NFTs, how to find hot NFTs, different options for investing in NFTs. We also have an interview with the guys from Bridge Mutual, a very hot Polkadot-based insurance protocol. Rect Capital gives his breakdown on the current Bitcoin and altcoin cycles. Jesse's got a great report on eMoney, which is a DeFi stablecoin protocol based on Cosmos. Hashoshi's got a review on some crypto tax software, very timely because tax season is of course upon us. We've got a lot of new token sales to have on your radar, including some that are closing very, very soon. All of that and much, much more for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and affordable investor report on the market. There's a link down below me here in the description where you can click on to become a member today and get those reports. So let's get into this. The last chance to buy Bitcoin under $50,000. Well, the price is currently over $50,000 at the time of recording this video, but I think we're going to get a few more whacks at buying BTC under 50K in the coming days. And of course, look, I know guys, I know I had to make this video. What kind of cryptocurrency YouTuber would I be if I didn't do that? But I want to be really clear here. It's uncertain right now how long this accumulation, this downtrend and correction phase that we're seeing for Bitcoin is going to last. How many more opportunities will there be to buy Bitcoin under $50,000? Who knows, but probably a few during this downtrend. And at the time of recording this video, even though we're, over $50,000, there's a pretty decent chance that we'll be back under $50,000 in the coming days. But I honestly think that the clock is ticking on, well, really, Bitcoin under 6 digits, but definitely for Bitcoin under 50K. These days, we'll look at a year's time or 2 years' time, we'll look back on these days and go, man, wish I bought more under 50K. Let's start off by talking about the market cycles here. Now, at this point, Bitcoin has only achieved 2 new price peaks during this bull cycle at $42,000 and $58,000. Both of those peaks were followed by rather significant corrections. We have only had 2, though, only 2, since breaking the all-time high during this bull run. Last bull run, we had 8 new peaks after breaking the previous all-time high, which is the first green line on the left here. So it's the all-time high from the bull run before the last bull run. The 8th peak, which is the final green line on top right of the chart here, coincided with the market top. Now, I'm not saying we're going to have 8 peak and correction cycles for Bitcoin during the cycle. We could have more, we could have less, but I really do not believe that $58,000, our second price peak into the bull run, was going to be the high watermark that the bear market's in now. It's all done. I don't believe that for a second. I still am fully invested in the belief that Bitcoin is going to be a 6-digit asset during this bull run. Now let's clean up the chart here a little bit and just look at a select group of corrections followed by the price pumps that came after them when we started to get into price discovery again. You can see that after each major correction for Bitcoin, the price tends to rally pretty damn hard, and it never comes back down to retest the previous lows of that correction period before it. The best that we got in all of 2017 was a retest of the previous top, flipping it from resistance into support. That would mean that once our correction cycle that we're currently in ends, we will be unlikely to see Bitcoin under $58,000 again during this bull market, let alone under $50,000. These are, of course, just historical patterns. They do not dictate the future, but these Bitcoin market cycles do tend to behave in a very similar fashion. One thing of interest too is that if Bitcoin does hit these cycle highs at $330,000, as some people predict, and we get an 85% crash at the low of the bear market, then that will still be above $50,000. It's crazy. I really don't know if we're going to get such a dramatic bear cycle this time. The market structure's changing. We have all this big money coming in. We may not see that 85% drop during the bear market. Still though, food for thought. With all that being said, I want to be very clear. I'm not talking about today, right? I'm not talking about today. This is about this overall cycle that we're in right now of this current market correction. Because I think that we will spend some more time under $50,000 before we do take off to start testing and finding some new highs for Bitcoin. There is a decent chance that the current Bitcoin correction plays out in a similar fashion to the one that happened around $42,000. That's nothing to be scared of, right? This is a chance to accumulate more Bitcoin. It's a buying opportunity. So you can see on the chart here that after $42,000, we had a big dip, that there was a relief rally. I think we might be seeing a similar situation right now. After 58K, there was a big dip. We're going to have a relief rally up to 54, 55K, and probably then another price drop. Now, if we get that drop, then it's likely going to be one of the actual last dips under 50K if, of course, the historical trends for Bitcoin and the market cycles that it go through tend to hold true. This current market correction for Bitcoin could last a few weeks before we actually break out of the downtrend where we have to cross above that green line on the top here before we consider ourselves out of the downtrend. It could take a little bit of time for that to happen. And of course, it could take a few weeks after we break the downtrend to see Bitcoin actually hitting a new high. Key areas of interest for dip buyers are just in between $44,000 and $45,000 and just above the previous $42,000 peak, maybe around $42,500 for dip buying. We also need to factor in the simple reality of the new market structure. Due to the entry of these big money players that we see coming in, they are bringing in a new approach to investing in this asset class. The big corporations buying Bitcoin right now, they're not buying it for a quick flip. They're buying Bitcoin as a strategic long-term asset. What they are doing, they are buying and removing supply from the market. They're not planning on selling it, at a 10% gain or something like that. These guys are probably taking multi-year time frames here. They're acquiring this as a long-term wealth-preserving asset. They're buying it to get out of their cash positions. And with $10 trillion in cash sitting in corporate treasuries, there is a lot more money to enter this market, especially considering the 99.9% of institutions still have zero exposure to Bitcoin. And that 5% of corporations have stated that they are planning to buy Bitcoin this year. That's crazy, and that's just corporations. What about the likes of asset managers like BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, that said that they are officially now dabbling in crypto? These massive financial players entering the market is going to have this vacuuming effect, just sucking Bitcoin up off of the market in quantities that are pretty hard for us normal humans to fathom. They are cornering supply. That's what they're doing in the market. They're not day trading. They're buying and removing it from the market to control it. This buying pressure from public and private companies, from hedge funds and asset managers and billionaires, millionaires and family offices and pensions and endowments and just all this stuff, trillions upon trillions worth of money here coming into the market. Even a few percent of the tens of trillions that these groups and institutions represent will create a massive just price spike for Bitcoin. The eventual floor for Bitcoin probably going to be over 6 digits. We will look back on the days of Bitcoin under $50,000 with the same kind of nostalgia that we now look back on Bitcoin under $10,000. The good old times when Bitcoin was cheap. I buy Bitcoin, I hold the Bitcoin. I don't sell it. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's what the big institutions, the big money is doing. And it's what little old Lark is doing as well. Anyway, what do you think? Is the chance to buy Bitcoin under $50,000 well and truly running out? Do you think that the current Bitcoin correction that we're seeing will actually be one of the last chances to buy Bitcoin under $50,000? Or do you really think that $58,000, that was the top for Bitcoin? We're going to nuke down from here. Bull run over. Time for bear market, baby. Let me know down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.